you may notice there's something missing from the garage. There's no 86 in there. So yeah, the 86 is no longer in the garage. I sold it. It was bittersweet. It was a really cool car. I really enjoyed driving it, but yeah, I'm getting into something else. I'll be going to pick it up soon. I'm flying out and driving it back, so that'll be fun, hopefully. I might have a friend joining me, I might not. I might be doing it on my lonesies. We'll see. But looking forward to it. It still needs to get a PPI done. I have a deposit down, but I haven't paid yet. All the paperwork looked good. All the service records look good. It still has the manufacturer's extended service on it, so my next few scheduled maintenances will be free. So that's great. What else? Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for now, but I am going to the store to pick up a couple tools that are more common for this manufacturer. So I'm kind of dropping little hints for you. There is some screws and hardware that's used commonly on this brand that I don't have. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, pick up a couple tools, and that way I'll be ready to work on it. I did pick up a factory service scanning tool and software that will let you do very deep troubleshooting on individual modules and electronics of the car. So I think that'll help me keep it maintained and well taken care of myself. So I'm just dropping hints for you left and right. This is a platform that I've owned before. However, this is a newer generation and a different trim level. I'm really, really excited about. I think that's all I'm going to say right now. Really looking forward to it. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I've got a pretty long road trip on the way back from picking it up that I'll record while I'm doing that. It'll be cool. So yeah, keep an eye out for that video. It should be probably coming out in a couple, 2 or 3 weeks. I think it'll be really fun to make, and I think it'll be really fun to watch. So stay tuned, get subscribed if you want to see it. I got a whole new video series in mind for it, and it's going to be a little different than what I was doing with the 8.6. I think it'll be really fun, especially if you like daily driving your fun car. A torque set. What on earth could I be working on?